Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're introducing one of the most powerful technologies transforming industries around the world, automation. We'll break it down in simple terms, walk you through the different types of automation, and show you real-world examples from various industries. Let's dive in. Automation is a technology that allows a process to run with little or no human involvement. It combines programmed commands with feedback systems to make sure everything works exactly as planned. In short, automation lets machines perform tasks on their own, efficiently, accurately, and around the clock. There are four main types of industrial automation: fixed automation, programmable automation, flexible automation, and integrated automation. Each one serves a specific purpose, depending on the production needs of a factory or plant. Let's take a closer look at them one by one. Fixed automation is used in high-volume production where the tasks don't change often. Think of a car factory with a conveyor belt moving parts down the line. It's fast, efficient, and cost-effective, but not easy to reconfigure. Once it's set up, it's designed to do the same thing over and over. Programmable automation gives manufacturers more flexibility. Instead of physically changing equipment, you can simply reprogram it to do something new. This type is perfect for batch production, where the product changes from time to time. Flexible automation takes it even further. Here, machines can adapt to new tasks quickly based on commands from a computer. This means less downtime and faster changeovers between different product batches. Industries like textiles, food processing, and paint manufacturing rely heavily on this type of automation. Integrated automation means the entire plant runs almost independently. From product design to testing and manufacturing, everything is automated and controlled by computers. This setup allows for streamlined operations and minimal human intervention. Why are so many companies switching to automation? Here's why. It cuts down operating costs, increases productivity, and improves product quality. Automation also boosts workplace safety, gives companies more flexibility, and makes it easier to collect accurate production data for smarter decision-making. There are three main control systems used in automation: PLCs, Programmable Logic Controllers, DCSs, Distributed Control Systems, and PACS, Programmable Automation Controllers. Each one plays a key role in how machines communicate and operate. A PLC is like the brain of a small automation system. It constantly checks inputs, like sensors, and then sends outputs, like turning on motors, based on programmed logic. They're simple, reliable, and widely used in industries for basic control tasks. Modern PLCs are fast, support both analog and digital I/O, and can even connect to networks. A DCS is used in larger plants for more complex processes. It combines control systems, operator interfaces, alarms, data history, and more into one system. It's common in oil refineries, chemical plants, and power generation facilities. PACs are a hybrid between PLCs and industrial computers. They offer more computing power, better data handling, and are ideal for advanced applications. PACs are replacing many older DCS systems, especially where both control and computing are needed in one package. PLCs come in two main types: compact PLCs, which are all-in-one units with limited expansion, and modular PLCs, where you can add or remove input and output modules based on your project size. Modular PLCs are more flexible and scalable for bigger automation systems. A typical PLC system has several components: the rack or chassis to hold everything, a central processing unit or CPU, a power supply, input and output modules, programming devices, and communication modules. Each part plays an essential role in making automation possible. PLCs are everywhere, from oil and gas plants to power stations, and from paper mills to cement factories. They're also used in mining, glass production, and boiler systems. Anywhere precise, repeatable control is needed, you'll likely find a PLC at work. Some of the top PLC brands include Allen Bradley, ABB, Siemens, Mitsubishi, Delta, GE, Honeywell, and Highwell. These manufacturers provide the tools that power the automation systems we rely on every day. Thanks for watching this introduction to industrial automation. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. This is just the beginning. Our channel will continue to break down complex engineering concepts in a way that's easy to understand. See you in the next video.